Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. So it's time again to fuck up. It's getting late. It's time to get to bed with a proper disappointment, so the next day can be even more shit than today. Cheers and coffee, by the way, and diet coke, of course. Today is my cheat day. I have eaten bread. Oh, I feel like Silas in one of those movies. I want to flog myself with something very sharp. And a bad boy. A piece of ham, bread. Hell, I think there was even butter on it. Anyways, I can't deal with that. Let's start. And I think I'm close to leveling up the T28, I think. And we're gonna do this. And excuse my printers if you can hear them. I don't know. Still printing. This is so unbelievable. I got that SU-122 with a reload time of half a century. And with ammo there's almost intercontinental. Yes. Yeah. Perhaps somebody else has a good idea to outflank us. Hey, look at that. He's right there. Yeah.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Okay. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Oh, come on. Please.
Дистанция 400 метров.
400
I think we should just pack it and play tic-tac-toe. Bastard. Dr. Selmer, thanks a lot. Yes, of course. Bastard. How come? Yeah. Thanks a bunch. Ridiculous. How are we at here? 1,100 to get the was the T-34, not the T-80, which of course will be okay. Yeah. So the aim is start leveling the KV for the day. Well, we have to play it to get some modules. Hungarian Hero is fantastic country. Good Christian country. morals. Okay. They will come darting across there and
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 600 метров.
he's look at that. We're getting plucked from the other side. Plug and plug from the other side. Na, 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 na. Can't see him. Only that bugger. What's this?
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 650 метров.
Oh, he moved. Well, my team thinks stalemates are good. Yes, I agree.
Кумулятивным готово. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Нас подбили.
We have to hide, goddammit. Oh, he nailed me, goddammit.
Кумулятивным готово.
He's just probably waiting for me now. I
Упор. Enemy forces have captured the zone. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 550 метров. The enemy's getting closer to victory. Нас подбили. Цель уничтожена. Повреждение. Часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Пушка в строю. Кумулятивным готово. Allied forces have captured a zone. Enemy forces have captured a zone.
yeah. Now I just have to wait for like 5 minutes.
Кумулятивным готово. Один час. Дистанция 650 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 650 метров.
Okay.
Внимание, воздух!
This is slightly boring, huh?
Кумулятивным готово. Недолет.
I. What was it? That's fun. Okay. Let's go to my body. Hey.
Внимание, воздух!
Oh my god. Need to hide somewhere. What the hell?
Victory is near.
Oh my god. Well, I managed to hit one of my own, didn't I? Excellent, that was a good game in the proper position. Actually, yeah, number 14. No, I should not be at number 2, then something goddamn wrong. So we got the camouflage, I really like that. This is all about the aesthetics, it's not about winning. No, it's not about the winning part of it. It's very, very, very much overrated. Yeah. Clever bunnies, loser. Let's see. We got the suspension going on, and we got definitely want horsepower. Let's just get that. And we get the adjustment of fire, and of course we want to have a little bit more positioning, maneuvering speed. And just one more game, then we got the T434. I'm just wondering if I should start playing it. No, I shouldn't. Optimal. I need to level every component in the previously 34. due to the bonus of leveling every component of T-34. Yes? Yes. Just need to check the time. It's 22:49er.
Бою!
Экипаж к бою! Механика орбитального. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
Let's see if the aim is to try to have some actual long range shots with this bastard. And to do that, I need to pick up like, oh, like this straggler here. He's like very, very, very naughty.
Перелет!
He's like undercover behind something.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 950 метров.
Oh my god.
Кумулятивным готово.
Is this better?
Недолет! Attention to the map.
Ah. Well, that explains a lot. Yeah, they could see me, but I did not have any resolution on firing resolution on my buddies there. The naughty mother guy and
Пушка к бою готова. Угасным готово.
but that guy will probably block me, huh? I wanted just to try to if I, oh, there he is. Oh my god.
Угасным готово.
Недолет!
Oh. I got explosives.
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Т-34. 12 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Кумулятивным.
Недолет!
Look at that, man. He's got a proper tank.
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 650 метров.
I am struggling to just to do the basics of this game after so many hours and so many years. Where is my tic-tac-toe? But first of all, you should be able to move the mouse in with a feed rate of at least 2 millimeters a minute.
Attack the A point.
That's just ridiculous, huh? It's incredible how much one can suck at one game. There is no upper limit to sucking, apparently. So,
Самолет 4 часа.
I'll probably hit him all.
Танк 1 час.
God damn.
Дистанция 600 метров. Танк 2 часа. Дистанция 650
Look at that
метров.
guy. Yes! But I would have had them if I had some proper thingies. So let's check the. What the hell was that? What? God damn it. Ah!
Один час. Дистанция 650 метров. Попадание! Бронебойным готово! Да! Один час!
Oh my god, I have to do, I think my mouse is off again? No, I just my brain, that's very comforting. So the technical equipment still works.
Один час.
And there's
600 метров. Попадание! Бронебойным готово!
this. Oh,
Бронебойным готово!
that sounds messy. Come on. Yeah. So, ain't that nice? No need to watch that. We can order this and select crew later. Or did I? Yeah. Yes, we're gonna take the KV. And we got the tracks. Is there nothing called? Okay, let's take that. Fireproofing. Let's look at the crew. Yada yada, yada yada, yada yada. And do I cut? No. So we won't yada yada that at the moment. So it's either vision or field repair. Let's take field repair there and take that vision. This. Let's take that vision. Yeah. Let's just take that vision as well. And this. And beyond. We cannot really play that one yet because we lack like 30% of this, and this will give me bonus 400, 300, 1000 bonus for the next tank. So we need to stay as is and take one more game. Now the Russia's rattling the saber. I wish the next species very, very, very much good luck. And if you encounter socialism and the old data from the previous civilization, like this one, don't do socialism. That's very sad, but there's nothing good. Destroys the world.
Закрыть люки. Механик водитель.
Only wants to
Заряжающий город готов.
destroy your children, steal from your children, get the mouth out of the, get the food out of your children's mouths. Yeah. And bring death to the current location where you're at. That's socialism for you. There is nothing good about that. So we're
12 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Влево. 0,10.
thank you very much.
Бронебойник готово. 1 час. Дистанция 500 метров. Нас подбили. Артиллерию.
Oi! Yes. Of course I can see him. I'm dead. God damn it. Did he? No, he didn't. I don't want to play that. Mommy. Yeah. Thank God somebody can play on my team. They cannot rely on me, that's for sure. Capitan, look at that, even my little green body is holy moly.
10 часов. Дистанция 900 метров. Бронебойным готово.
Ah. I like games, yes.
Танк 2 часа. Дистанция 600 метров. Артиллерия, координаты. 4. Уничтожить. 5, 4. Принял. Отбиваю огонь. Операция на подлете.
Oh,
Танк. 1 час. Дистанция 850 метров. Есть.
run away! Just slightly hurt. Why are we flying? Do I need to reverse my tractor or what? Oh my god. KV-1. Useless for me to flap at that cock. What's that?
Attack the B point! Attack the B point! Attack the B point!
Okay. This is
Need cover! Attention to the map!
Cel unicztowiona!
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
well. That was. Why do I press so hard down on my goddamn mouse that I cannot move without the goddamn way? Maybe I'm at the wrong height position. I'm sitting shitty like this. This is much better, I think. Okay. What did we have here? I'm gonna spend on. That's strange. I haven't bought this one. We got more. Nice. And I probably would have. Oh, shit. And this should also be up and running again. The salvation. And my crew is not at 45 yet. Not exactly. At 12. Maybe I should eat just a bag of crisps or something like that. That would be much more productive. Yes. I think this is gonna be the last game. Then I'm gonna switch over to Enlisted in one game. Let's do this. I really enjoy this. This is.
Бою! Закрыть люки. Механик-водитель, бой готов. Наводчик, бой готов. Заряжающий, бой готов. Вперед! Есть вперед!
It's like it's like
Вперед! Есть вперед!
let's check if we can see some baddies and not die at the same time.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
We don't want to be too close.
Танк! 9 часов! Дистанция 400 метров!
Oh, well.
Танк! 9
Then,
часов!
oh my god, wrong button.
400 метров!
Back up, dude. Yeah, he did.
We're winning.
I need to get off. Operator. Oh,
Артиллерия! Координаты! Цель! Уничтожить!
Captured a zone.
oh my god. I really hit him.
Заряжающий без сознания!
Hey, but at least I got one. TT-34 wasn't fully leveled.
Артиллерия! Координаты! Уничтожить!
Принял. Открываю огонь.
Бронебойные!
Scheißen Dyson.
Авиация на подлете.
Пулемет готов! Танк! 10 часов! Упор!
Well, at least I got two of the bastards. Okay.
Бронебойные! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 400 метров! Артиллерия! Координаты! 4! Уничтожить! 4! Принял! Открываю огонь! Перелет! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 1 час! Близко! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 1 час! Упор! Бронебойным готово! Цель подбита! Цель уничтожена!
Oh my god, best in squad again. No, best was a best squad. Hope it was the best. No, I'm number goddamn one in the team. That's just the reason why we lose. Well, that was quite nice with the backups. That's way better than 5 and 10k. So we got the suspension completed. This is, which means that 470k goes to load the bugger, and we can load that up and get this. Get that reward, whatever it was, and we got nothing. Let's look at crew training again. Let's see if we can get some vision. And that one, and this one, and that one, and 45, and that. Oh, everything is just. There's no point doing this now. Let's just do it anyways. And the research says 5k, 5 games. So I don't know why I enjoy this tank. Well, not even tank is so much. It is. I think it's awesome.
Вами стоп!
Закрепленки! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Наводчик к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов!
And from here, I definitely can hit them. I know that, so I need to. And that A is up in a corner. No, it's not that. No, sorry about that. It's like 54. We need to hide. Do our sneaky stuff here. And of course reversing can barely manage to break the umbrella. Charge. Okay. Oh. First casualties of charging. Oh. Oh, Scheiß and Dyson, I knew it. Yes, Captain, make him panic, yeah? Huh. Yeah. Yeah. We are going. Yeah, I know, but if I just had a little bit more punch to this a machine gun 88 or something like that, I would be more successful. Yeah. We shall do this. Not helping. That is my.
Один час. Дистанция 750 метров. Т-34. Один час. Дистанция 750 метров. Цель подбита. Closer to victory.
Thank you very much. Come again.
Цель уничтожена. Так, 11 часов. Дистанция 650 метров. Бронебойным готово. Артиллерия, координаты. Цель 5. Уничтожен. Принял. Открываю огонь. Самолет. 12 часов. Дистанция 1000 метров. Так, 1 час. Дистанция 700 метров. Попадание. Огонь! Вижу повреждения.
Right in the kisser. It's a KB1.
Выстрел. Попадание.
We're not going from that direction now. That's for sure. He's got. He wants to have a little bit of the action from PAL's fundamentals.
Бронебойным готово. Попадание.
Oh my god, let's take. Come on. Not even that.
Т-34. 11 часов. Дистанция 900 метров. Бронебойным готово.
Get over.
Самолет. 12 часов. Дистанция 1600 метров.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Т-4. Уничтожен.
Т-4. Принял.
Not even. Oh my god. Yeah, okay.
Designated grid square. Вижу повреждения! Танк! 1 час! Дистанция 500 метров! Нас подбили! Это лед! Ваш квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар! Авиация на поддержке! Танк! 2 часа! Убор! Попадание!
Да.
Броневой удар! Попадание!
Not even that. Cable 1. Just I got absolutely nothing to shoot with. No, no. What's this? 4 games left. And the research. What did they say? 5 games? I think that was a lie. So, well, what's happening here? That one I want. That's gonna be researched next. After this. I don't even want that one. Yeah, so let's call it a day, and I'm going to do some news now.